Hi everyone! Today we're going to be reviewing how to add and subtract integers. But again, you should remember what integers are. These are the positive numbers, the negative numbers, and 0. If you see your number line with a whole number, those are your integers. Alright? Just a little recap. Let's just start with adding integers. Let's just review something like with like signs, meaning like the signs are the same, or they call it like all positives, all negatives together. So it's very simple. If you see the rule over here for a shortcut, it says when the signs are the same, just copy the sign and add the number. So we'll just take it like that. So it say if you check that's positive and positive, that's the same sign, we just copy the sign, which becomes positive, and we just add the number 5 and 2, that gives you 7. Easy, right? And if the numbers have also the same sign, even though it's negative, so it's negative and a negative, so they have the same sign, we just copy the sign and we add the number. That's not that bad. It's easy. Okay? So again, the same signs, you just add the number and you copy the sign. So what happened when they have unlike signs or the signs are not same? So the rule is, here's a shortcut. When the signs are different, you subtract the number and then get the sign of the integer that has a greater absolute value. So if you look at this example, -6 plus +2, the signs are different, right? So what we're gonna do is subtract the number 6 and 2. We subtract that, so that's 4. But what sign are we using? If we're gonna get the absolute value of -6 and we get the absolute value of +2, 6 will be greater with absolute value. So we'll take the sign. So that's gonna be -4. If you look again at the next example, you have +4 and -1. So since the signs are different, we subtract that. So we right away know it's 3. The problem is, what sign are we using? So look at this. Absolute value of 4 and absolute value of 1. Of course, 4 is going to be greater. And in this case, 4 has a positive sign. So we'll take the sign of 4. Here, signs are different, -10 and +12. So we take the difference between the two, so the answer is 2. And we know that 12 is going to get a greater absolute value, so we'll take the sign of +2. Again, if the signs are different, we subtract the number, we get the sign of the integer that has a greater absolute value. Okay? See what we could do if we are subtracting the integers this time. Okay, so the rule in subtracting is we're gonna add the opposite. So I know some students think of a Q or a clue letters or something like that they usually have, but the rule will be adding the opposites. Other teachers or other book will say K CC. I don't usually recommend acronym, but I think it's gonna help us remember what we're doing. So we change. We're talking about the signs, right? Or we add opposite. How do we do that? So I would like you to rewrite as addition expression or addition equation. So we change, and then we proceed to addition. So we keep +5. Okay, we change this, that becomes positive or plus. Then we change this, that's gonna be -3. And then if you remember the rule that we had in addition, the signs are different. So we subtract the number, so that's gonna be 2. And what sign are we carrying on? So whoever got the higher absolute value, so definitely 5 gonna get higher absolute value. So we carry the sign of +5. Let's look at the second example. So we rewrite it to addition expression or equation. So we keep the first sign, we change it to addition, and we change the second sign. So we keep this sign, we change that, so we change the positive, to plus, and we change to positive. Now we're gonna end up with two different signs, and we know that when the signs are different, we subtract. So 7 and 2, we subtract, that becomes 5. Now which one or which sign are we using? The 7, so we take that out. Next one, we keep, that's positive 2. We change it to addition, and we change it to positive 3. We're gonna end up with two different, the same sign or like signs. So we add a number and we just copy the sign. Again, we're gonna rewrite it to addition expression or equation, or because of equal sign I call it equation, but this is actually a numerical expression. And we move to addition and we change it to -5. And then that's the same sign now, so our answer is -14. Easy peasy, right? So that's how we add and subtract integers. So I hope you like it, guys, and I'm gonna be creating another video of how you multiply and how you divide integers. Well, we'll just chop our lesson, so it's not hard for us to digest and understand how integers work in terms of operation. Bye for now. See you guys later. Bye bye.